I think if they're paroled, it will weaken the justice system. The Menendez brothers killed their parents. There was never an allegation that they were abused by their mother, and they reloaded when they shot her. So when Kitty Menendez can appear before the judge and say, I forgive my sons, that's when I think they should be paroled.
Judge Judy giving a ruthless verdict on the Menendez brothers, whose fate now lies with California Governor Gavin Newsom. If the parole board recommends release, Newsom has the final say. On his podcast, This is Gavin Newsom, he discussed the impending history-making decision with Ryan Murphy, the creator of the wildly popular Netflix series Monsters, the Lyle and Erik Menendez story, that helped fuel renewed fascination for the case.
Ultimately, it led to their resentencing. August 21st and 2nd, the parole board is going to make a decision and make a recommendation
to you.
That lands on my desk.
Right.
Mr. Murphy.
That's heavy stuff.
I kept having a temptation to want to see it, but I don't want to be persuaded by something that's not in the files.
Yeah.
Erik and Lyle are currently serving a life sentence for the 1989 murders. The prosecution called their claims the abuse excuse, arguing that the brothers were instead motivated by greed to inherit their parents' fortune. Ryan's goal was to give different perspectives of what may have happened to let the viewer decide who are the real monsters.
We had an interesting writer's room where I was the one person in the room who kept saying, I'm not so I don't think they should get out. I think generationally, young people have a much different way of identifying and talking about and navigating abuse than we did.
Today, Murphy believes the brothers should be paroled, in part because they've been model prisoners, but Judy has a much different take, for multiple reasons, including the fact that the DA, Nathan Hochman, took another look at the case.
Despite the fact that his predecessor appeared to be supportive of re-examination of their sentence, this district attorney, after examining the evidence, said, nah, we don't support that. They've been, I understand, model prisoners. Good for them. Maybe they learned their lesson. But you have to remember, they were supposed to have been traumatized by what happened to them. And when you're traumatized, you may go into a bathroom and throw up. You have a headache. You may want to disappear into the desert by yourself. You don't go on a major, big deal, high rent shopping spree with your parents' money.
Just days after killing their parents, the brothers spent thousands of dollars on high-end luxury items. It was all reimagined in Monsters.
Jury found them guilty of murder. They were sentenced. That's the sentence.
And we asked Judy if she would consider covering the case on her groundbreaking new show, Justice on Trial, which recreates landmark criminal cases from the past with real trial lawyers.
I control this courtroom. Do you want to make a speech? Go outside. I could see us doing a recreation of the Menendez trial.